Well, hello, third grade. Today, let's spend some time learning about tissues and organs. So, grab your science book, turn to page 208, and let's begin. At the top of 208, we begin with a cell has the characteristics of a living thing. It needs food, it grows, it uses energy, it reproduces. Sometimes a cell works alone. Single-celled creatures are examples of this. In most living things, though, groups of cells, they do work together. A tissue is a group of cells all doing the same kind of work. There are two kinds of tissue that a plant uses to make and move food. The xylem, it has a Z sound, but it begins with the letter X. Xylem and phloem. Xylem moves water from the roots to the leaves so that photosynthesis can take place. And when we know that is the food making process. After the plant makes food, phloem moves the food to other parts of the plant. It's kind of like, having a kitchen, make the food, and then go and pass it out. God gave people special kinds of tissues also. Epithelial, connective, muscle, and nerve tissues are the four main kinds of tissues in the human body. Each type has an important job. Epithelial tissue is smooth tissue. Its job is to provide covering and protection. The surface of your skin is this kind of tissue. Epithelial tissue also lines the insides of your mouth, throat, and parts of your lungs. Okay, now, top of 209, let's learn about connective tissue. Connective tissue holds parts of your body together. You kind of get that from the name, connective, connected together. Bones and fat are connective tissues. Blood is also a special kind of connective tissue. Your body has more connective tissue than any other kind. Muscle tissue. Well, muscle tissue. Now, what would that do? Muscle? Movement? Sure. Muscle tissue allows your body to move. You can see and feel some of your muscles as they work. Other muscles, such as the ones that help you digest your food or cause your heart to beat, well, you can't see those. Whether they can be observed or not, all your muscles are very important. Nerve tissue carries messages between your brain and your body. The messages tell your body what is happening and what to do. They allow you to respond to the things around you. Nerve tissue has billions of tiny connecting fibers. These fibers talk or communicate to each other by passing signals back and forth. All right, so we have epithelial, connective, muscle, and nerve tissue. Top of 210, organs. A group of tissues working together to do a job would be called an organ. Organs are the major parts of the body. One organ may use several different kinds of tissue. A good example of this would be the eye. This organ, listen to what it uses. The outside of the eye, that's the epithelial tissue. A layer of connective tissue gives the eye flexibility. Muscle tissue focuses and moves the eye. The nerve tissue sends messages to the brain to tell what is seen. Each tissue in the eye has its own job, but the tissues also work together. When they do all their jobs, the eye can do its job. Now, do you see where it says upper body organs? What I want you to do is, once we're through the reading here, I want you to illustrate what you see here in your book. So you draw it, color it, and label it, and then have that ready to turn in after Easter, whenever we end up meeting together again. Let's go to the top now of 2:11. God gave your organs important jobs. Your eyes let you see. Your lungs allow you to breathe. Your heart pumps blood to your body. Your stomach helps you digest food. Your brain is the control center for your body. And these are just a few of your many organs. What a miracle God has performed in creating you the way that He has. Systems. A group of organs working together, well, that would make a system. So, what is a system? Right. A group of organs working together. Now, one system in your body is the digestive system. The stomach is part of this system, but other organs are as well. The tongue, esophagus, liver, small intestine, and large intestine all work together with the stomach to digest your food. Cells make up tissues. Tissues form organs. Organs work together to form systems. So if you look at the flow chart on 2:11, you can see the blue arrows, and it goes cell, tissue, organ, system. Each part of the body has its own job as it works together with the other parts. You and your parents need to understand how the parts of your body work to be able to keep you healthy. Doctors need to understand how the body works so that they can give you proper care when your body is not well. So, that completes our assignments for this week. Remember to draw your illustration from page 210. Also, if you have not taken the Chapter 10 science test yet, please, please, please find an adult to go through the study guide with and have them ask you questions. Remember, when you take that test out of the envelope, you take the whole test, put it back in the envelope without using your study guide and without using your book. So, well, we'll see how much snow we get tomorrow, and you have a nice evening. You guys take care.